Hello, I am Archisman Mahapatra from Grid Council, and the purpose of our making this video is to introduce a public health career portal that we have just now embedded into our website. Each year, so many students complete their MD in community medicine, complete their MPH in public health, many more PhD in subjects related to public health. And as soon as they complete, they're into the job market and they're very actively hunting for jobs, not to be found that easily. Similarly, there are employers also who are trying to look for the perfect candidate, but somehow there is some kind of mismatch. So the best employer does not find the best fitting employee. The employee also looks in for jobs in public health, but does not know adequately whether the job is good enough for his or her passion, whether he or she would be able to contribute as an efficient team member, whether the skills match or not, whether it's a good career choice or not. To cut this entire clutter, what we have tried to do here is we have carefully curated jobs which are fitting to the fresher MD community medicine, the fresher MPH public health students, and PhDs in public health and in allied subjects. So from different job portals, we have curated that information and made an interactive dashboard, and we are introducing it to all this week. In this video, we shall be walking you through that interactive dashboard that we have created. Over to my colleague Bharat.
With all the jobs and made it in a one platform which will be available at our website, that is www.thegreatcouncil.org. There is an interactive job portal. You can find your career opportunities on that dashboard. All the opportunities at one place and at one platform. You can find jobs from different websites and the deadlines of those jobs and all over the cities and states at one place. As this is a beta version of our dashboard, you can give your feedback to us and info@thegreatcouncil.org. And now my friend Divita Sharma will walk you through the dashboard and make it easy for you to use it.
Hello all, let me walk you through the dashboard. So as you can see on your top right, these are some scorecards which basically represents the summary of what we have included in our dashboard. Now if you come to your left, you'll see these drop down menus which actually works as filters for your job as per your preference. So suppose if you want to see a job in a particular state or in a particular city, you can select these drop downs and you can select any state you want to. Suppose you want to see a job in Uttar Pradesh, you can click this only button, and then all the jobs will be presented in this dashboard which are from Uttar Pradesh. And if you want to go back to the main menu, then you can deselect it, then you can select it again, and then it will come back to the origin as it was before. Similarly, if you want to see jobs in multiple states, what you can do is you can deselect this and then you can choose the state as per your choice. For example, if you want to see Punjab and then Uttar Pradesh, then all the jobs in Uttar Pradesh and Punjab will be represented here and you can choose from your preference. To go out of this menu, you can click anywhere outside and then you can see everything at one place again. Similarly, you can use all these drop downs as per your preference. Now coming to this pie chart. Now this pie chart represents the jobs which are in different organizations as in the type of organization. So there is private, government and NGO. Suppose you want to look for a job in a private sector. So you can just click on this segment and then all the jobs listed here in the private organization will come here and you can see and you can check all these out: the post name, the organization, the URL for the particular job, the deadline, the state, the city, and the number of jobs there. Now to go back, you can come again here and then click it again and everything will be as it was. Then this donut chart represents the mode of apply. Whether you want to look for jobs which have an online application process or a CV process or a walk-in interview process. Similarly, as I showed in the pie chart, you can click here, here or here and see your jobs according to your preference. So now I will show you how to access our interactive dashboard from your mobile. So as you can see, the dashboard here appears to be in versions. So you can always scroll up or scroll down, scroll right or to your left to see the dashboard. But where's the fun in that? So I'll tell you how to do it and how to select your desktop site and see the desktop version as well. So you go here on the three dots and then you select desktop site here, which is written below the install app. You make a tick on the tick box and then so here's the whole dashboard. Now you can access it as it was shown earlier, like on our website from your, as you'll operate it through your laptop. You can always operate it the same way from your phone as well.
Thank you, Divita. Thank you, Bharati, for your bits. Now, this is, as Bharati pointed out, this is just the beta version. We are launching it this week, and we know that jobs would get outdated, and we need to constantly keep on updating the database. And that's where exactly we are working. The team has already identified which members would work exclusively on keeping the dashboard live. So we have committed members to it, and we are increasing our repository. We are scanning different databases, and we are doing it as a dynamic process. We are also expanding the number of databases we are searching. Everything is targeted at the public health freshers, and you can contribute to it. If you are a fresher looking for a job, you can give us your valuable feedback, how we could improve. If you are an employer or you are in the HR department, please let us know how we could give more meaningful information. If you want to post your job also, we'll try and please write to us and we'll improve that in our database. If you are a faculty member, you can visit our job portal and see what kind of jobs are in demand, and accordingly you can attune your training processes. So this is just an effort, but of course nothing would improve without your feedback. We request you to please visit this particular dashboard and give us your feedback at info@thegridcouncil.org. Thank you so much.